In this video, you will learn how to create this beautiful shadow effect in PowerPoint. The best part about this effect is you can change the text and the effect still applies. In learning how to create this beautiful effect, as a beginner, you will learn a lot more about how to work with text shadows in PowerPoint so you can improve your slide design. So let us jump right in and learn how to create this effect. Before that, I am Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com, the creator of Ramgopal's PowerPoint Mastery Program, a comprehensive and creative PowerPoint training program you can access by clicking on the link in the description box below the video. Here I am on a new slide. I've already got a few words on the slide. I inserted them by using the text box tool by going to Insert and Text Box option. I specifically chose a thick font so you can clearly see the effect. You can use any of the thick fonts like Arial Black or Tucson MT Condensed Extra Bold. The font choice is up to you. Now let us apply the beautiful shadow effect. The first thing I'm going to do is to right click on the text. Then let us go to Format Shape, go to the text options here, then go to the effects option. First let us choose one of the presets. I'm going to choose this option here called Outer Shadow. It is outer bottom right. Let us clean up the slide a little bit. Let us remove all these unnecessary words. Let us just play with this single word and let us see how to apply the effect. The first thing I'm going to do is to increase the size of the shadow. This is a simple option that many experienced users of PowerPoint are not aware of. You can see how the change in size impacts the way the design looks. The next thing I'm going to do is to reduce the transparency so that it is clearly dark in nature. The next step is to bump up the blur effect. Now observe how the design changes as soon as I increase the blur. Can you see here? It's a beautiful effect. If I want to change the angle of this, I can always go here and play with the angle. If I want to increase the distance, I can do so by selecting this option and by choosing like this, but this is not what I want for this effect. I'm quite happy with this. If I want to change the color of the shadow, I can do so. So let us go here and maybe I can choose this kind of a tan color. And if I want to change the background color to something much lighter, like say white color, then this effect will look quite subtle and beautiful. Now the best part is you can save this slide somewhere where you can access the slide anytime you want, and you can just use this style to create your titles. So you can just go here and make changes to the text and your title will look really beautiful. You can learn a whole bunch of such beautiful effects in our Ramgopal's PowerPoint Mastery Program. Link is in the description box below. In the meantime, do you want to learn all the fundamentals of PowerPoint in a matter of 20 minutes? Then we have just the right video for you right here. All you need to do is to click on the link here and start watching this video to learn all the essentials of PowerPoint and impress your bosses and colleagues. Go ahead, click on the link and start watching the video right now.